Today we're going to meal prep 3 of my favorite healthy and easy lunches that take less than 15 minutes to make. We're going to make Greek pasta salad jars, noodle soup jars, and Caprese salad jars. We're going to start with the Greek pasta salad. First, we need to cook the pasta. I'm using lentil pasta because it's higher in protein and fiber. Meanwhile, the pasta is cooking, we're going to chop the veggies. We need half a cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, and 1 bell pepper. Next, we're going to make the dressing. For that, we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using garlic infused olive oil for flavor. Then we need juice of half a lemon and 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. I also like to add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, but that's totally optional, and 2 teaspoons of oregano and 1 teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper. And here's the ready dressing. I'm going to rinse the pasta in cold water so it cools down quickly. And then we're just going to put all the ingredients into these glass jars. First, we add the dressing. If you haven't made salad jars before and you're wondering what's the point, this is just a great way to meal prep salads because the dressing is at the bottom of the jars. It won't touch the vegetables that are on top, so the veggies won't get soggy. Next, we add the pasta. Next, we add kalamata olives. And feta. If you don't have these kinds of big glass jars, you can of course make this pasta salad into containers and store the dressing separately, but I would not mix all the ingredients together before serving, because when you mix olives and feta, for example with cucumbers, they get soggy very quickly. Bell peppers won't get soggy that easily, so that's why I'm adding those next. And next we add the cherry tomatoes. And lastly, we add the cucumbers. Then we just add the lids on top and store these in the fridge. They last in the fridge for about 3 days. Before serving, I just pour all the ingredients into a bowl and toss. Such a tasty lunch. Next, we're gonna prep noodle soup jars. The best part is we don't need to pre-cook anything. We just need to chop the banana pepper or bell pepper and the tofu and make a broth concentrate. The broth concentrate will then go to the bottom of each jar, and then we'll add the source of protein. So I'm using high protein tofu this time, but you could also use shredded chicken, for example. And then we'll just add the veggies, and before serving, you pour boiling water on top and let it sit for a few minutes, and then you have a ready noodle soup. For 2 servings of the broth concentrate, we need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I'm using garlic infused olive oil. for extra flavor, and 2 to 4 teaspoons of vegetable bouillon powder, depending on how salty your bouillon is, and a pinch of chili flakes, and half a teaspoon of ground ginger. And here's the ready broth concentrate. And then we just divide the broth concentrate to the glass jars. And next we add the tofu and edamame beans, which also contain some protein and fiber. And sliced canned mushrooms. And the banana pepper. Lastly, we need noodles that cook quickly. I'm using rice noodles. And then we store these in the fridge. They last in the fridge for about 4 days. Take the jars to room temperature about 10 minutes before adding the boiling water so the glass won't break. Then just add the boiling water. And stir. Then just let them sit for about 4 minutes or until the noodles are fully cooked. And here's the ready, super quick and tasty noodle soup. Lastly, we're gonna make caprese salad jars. First, we're gonna cook some quinoa. Meanwhile, the quinoa is cooking, we're gonna cut cherry tomatoes in half and make the dressing. For the dressing, we need 2 tablespoons of garlic infused olive oil and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard and a pinch of salt. Then we add the dressing to the bottom of the jars. And then we add chickpeas, which are a great source of fiber. And they also contain some protein. Next, we add the quinoa. I rinsed it in cold water, so we don't need to wait for it to cool down. And then we add mini mozzarellas. And the cherry tomatoes. And lots of arugula. Lastly, we're gonna add fresh basil. And then we store these in the fridge. These also last for about 3 days. This salad is super simple but delicious. I'll add the written recipes to the description box, as well as the link to my recipe ebooks that have 265 healthy and easy recipes that prove that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or complicated. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more easy meal prep recipes. See you guys next week. Bye!